Best 150cc motorcycles in the Philippines. Yamaha Sniper 150. Pros: excellent handling and fuel consumption. Noted comfortability. Design is a standout. Cons: the rear portion is on the puny side. Lacks luggage hooks. Lacks under-seat storage compartment. SRP 102,900 Philippine pesos. Suzuki Raider R150. Pros: powerful engine, excellent styling, value for money. Cons: clutch is on the heavier side. Braking can be quite abrupt. Storage space isn't that generous. SRP 109,900 Philippine pesos. Honda RS150R. Pros: slim and compact, quick and energetic performance. Cons: not ideal for two full-sized adults due to its body design. SRP 97,300 Philippine pesos. Honda CBR 150R. Pros: stylish, noted riding and handling experience. Cons: a bit expensive for its class. Power is lower than the Yamaha YZF R15. SRP 165,000 pesos. Suzuki GSX-S 150. Pros: modern design, all-digital instrument console, powerful engine, sporty riding position. Cons: lacks ABS. The rear seat is a bit uncomfortable. SRP 112,800 Philippine pesos. Honda ADV 150. Pros: eye-catching design, more affordable price tag than the XADV. Cons: not the best off-roader on the market. SRP 149,000 pesos. Honda Supra GTR 150. Pros: competitive speed, sportier design. Cons: none. SRP 102,900 pesos. Yamaha FZI. Pros: impressive looks, excellent overall performance, noted handling. Cons: no rear disc brakes. SRP 99,800 Philippine pesos. Honda Click 150i. Pros: the sharp and aggressive design. Language: the impressive list of premium features. Cons: a bit on the beefier side relative to its overall look and appeal. Storage compartment could have been made bigger. SRP 98,900 pesos. Suzuki GSX-R 150. Pros: sporty and ergonomic design features. Powerful engine, fun to ride. Cons: power is still lower compared to Yamaha competitor. SRP 156,000 Philippine pesos. Honda XR150L. Pros: off-road inspired design, comfortable ride quality, value for money. Cons: the engine isn't exactly the most powerful. No presence of ABS. SRP 89,900 pesos. Kawasaki KLX150L. Pros: ideal for first-time riders. Decent amount of suspension travel. Cons: a bit pricey. SRP 122,500 Philippine pesos. Honda CRF 150L. Pros: powerful engine, modern off-road design, excellent suspension travel, high ground clearance. Cons: high saddle height, more prominent than some 150cc off-road rivals. SRP 134,900 pesos.
Salamat sa panunood. Huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe.